Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leaders Flex, and that's the lecture number 26 of Go High Level from Basic to Advanced course. Without wasting time, I'm going to show you what we are going to learn in this lecture. So let's dive in sides. By the way, in a previous course video, I have discussed these all features step by step, and I have explained these all things, how it work and all these features as well. So right now, today we are going to discuss about the analytic. So let me click on the analytic, and here we have all detail about the analytic. Analytic is basically all traffic resources, and you can track your all websites traffic, your funnel traffic, your store traffic, and your form traffic, and your webinar funnel traffic. Whatever service you are going to use for Go High Level, you can track each and everything here. So right now I just click on here. You see you can check your websites traffic, QR codes, forms, and survey. And here we have all accounts, on which accounts you are going to test. So right now I'm going to test funnels. You see you can check page views, opt-in, how many leads came in, sales, and opt-in conversion rate. You can track each and everything here, and you can also make customized report as well going by this reporting features. So that's all things we have in an analytic. And right now, because it's a test account, we have created this video purpose, so that's why we don't have anything here. So yeah, that's it from this video, and in a reporting section I will explain each and everything with the detailed discussion, and I will guide you how you can use it. So yeah, if you need any Go High Level services, if you can go with my affiliate link, I will do these all things for you. I will white label your Go High Level to make your own software with all these things. And if you have any questions and want service, just simply book free consultations. I will provide you all Go High Level services free of cost consultations. And also if you can go with my affiliate link, then I will give you these all snapshot free of cost, and I will develop your SaaS agency as well, like reputation management system, SaaS agency, and taxi snapshots. And I can make one custom snapshot for you if you can go with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.